Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. Now, I've got one of these plants at home in my own garden. It's called Gaura Rosy Jane. It's got these wonderful sort of shimmering, dancing like butterfly white flowers edged in this sort of kissed the tips with pink. Now, I've got these in my own garden actually along a pathway. Planted them probably about 3-4 years ago. One plant, it's now probably about 3 foot across, 3 foot wide, and it's just got masses and masses and masses of these throwing up all these flowers from June, July, right the way through to we're in September now, and it's just not stopping. It's just throwing up more and more flower stems. These are plants the same in our nursery, it's performing exactly the same. There's more and more flower stems coming up on these, and it will just give you that really nice sort of airy swaying effect. Nice bit of colour. It's hardy, dies down in winter, comes back every year. Really reliable in my garden, so perhaps why not try it in yours? Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.